Turmeric, originally known as Curcuma longa, is packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help boost immunity and support overall health. Adding it to your cooking enhances flavor and color while naturally nourishing your body. Making your own turmeric powder at home ensures it's fresher, more potent, and free from additives compared to most store-bought versions. Learn how to make your own fresh turmeric powder at home. All you need is clean, fresh turmeric roots. You can buy fresh turmeric roots from any Indian grocery store. Steam or boil the fresh turmeric for 20 to 30 minutes until it's fully cooked. Let it cool completely. Steaming or boiling turmeric removes the raw odor and brings out that rich golden color. Next, shred or blend the cooked turmeric in a blender until it is shredded or blended into small pieces. Spread out the blended turmeric on a paper towel or clean cloth and let it dry overnight or until it's completely moisture-free. Once dry, grind it into a fine powder or use it as is. Store in an airtight container and enjoy your homemade turmeric powder. Make a fresh batch weekly or monthly. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.